Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new tutorial, and in this following video I'm going to talk about the ways to change TV provider on ESPN app. If you want to change the TV provider on ESPN app, you have to follow these simple steps. Now first thing first, you want to go ahead and open up your ESPN app and then log into your account. When you open it up, this is how it's going to look like. While you're on this page, click the gear icon from the top right hand side corner of your screen, and it's gonna take you to the settings page. So here you could see this is how it's gonna look like. For that, you could find this option as TV provider, so you could find it out on this page. When you tap on TV provider, you could simply go ahead and press on the log out button. So when you go ahead and press on the TV provider, there you'll be able to find some option. In my case, I do not have this now. You could then when you actually press on that, you could go ahead and make changes with your TV provider. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.